this is my business consulting videos for foreigners. Today we will talk about taxes, what taxes exist in Georgia, why we have to pay taxes, and what happens if we do not pay taxes. According to Georgian tax code, the tax is an unconditional contribution of a taxpayer to the state budget, which must be paid by a taxpayer within a specified time frame. There are 6 taxes in total in Georgia, which are divided into 2 groups: general state or national taxes, as it is stated in a tax code, and local taxes. National taxes include 5 taxes. The rates of national taxes do not differ depending on the territorial units. It's the same across the territory of Georgia. So, national taxes are income tax, tax on profits, value-added tax, excise tax, import tax or import duty. And the 6th local tax is a property tax. This tax is approved by a representative body of a local government, city council, according to relevant normative acts, and accordingly this tax varies to different territorial units. Tax code sets tax rates, determines who is the taxpayer, and also establishes who is the object of taxation. The tax return in Georgia is filled out electronically, and in accordance with the tax code, it is regulated to fill out and send electronic declaration and pay tax to the budget in accordance with this declaration. As we mentioned in the previous videos, if you have or you are engaged in economic activity in Georgia, then you must register and pay taxes accordingly. A tax audit can be carried out by the tax authority, Revenue Service, on the basis of the prior notice. This audit can be carried out for the last 3 years. However, there are exceptions, and this period can be extended for another 1 year if the tax authority thinks that it is necessary. As a result of this check, certain sanctions may be applied to the taxpayer. According to the tax code, there are several types of sanctions: penalty interest, confiscation of goods or the vehicles. The taxpayer is primarily obliged to pay a flexible amount which specified sanctions will impose. Then he pays a penalty. Then he pays a penalty interest, and there is a difference between a penalty and a penalty interest. A penalty or a fine may be imposed on the organization or a taxpayer for each offense. This may be a fixed amount, but the penalty interest is calculated from the percentage of the amount which was not paid to the budget. The penalty interest rate under the current legislation is 0.05% for each overdue date, which is about 1.5% for the months. We all agree. In fact, it is better not to be fined. Don't pay a penalty. It is better to be acquainted with the tax system, to know the taxes, and take advantage of a tax benefits which Georgian tax system offers to the businesses. In the next video, we will take a look at the highest tax rate. This is income rate in Georgia. If you are interested in the topics of business and taxes in Georgia, then subscribe and do not miss new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.